Yeah, you know what we're gonna do? Here's how we're gonna do it. Alright, I want you to make it shoot.
Safety, huh? I made it too salty.
Ben, I have a question.
What?
What is this? What is this? Okay, listen. You don't have to turn down the safety. You have this one too. Okay? You put down safety. Okay? Safety.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. Do you have to use this one? Can you put it down with this one? Huh, go figure. You do have to use this one. Interesting. But, okay. Now, when you shoot, you don't go... I'm going to hold it this way because I don't know how to hold it the other way. You don't go like this, okay?
Okay.
You lean into it. Okay? Point out where you want to go. Look to the sights. Someone help with the other one. One dog farting on another's. And squat a little. And
Okay. So.
spread your feet apart. Point them forward. Now shoot. No. You're leaning forward into the gun. Bend those knees. Why are they... Not that much. Get comfortable, Ben.
That's how I'm comfortable.
Whoa. One finger on the trigger.
Okay.
No, that's one hand. One finger on the trigger, 2 hands on the right. Oh, wait, don't shoot. Or one dog is farting on the other's face. Lean forward into it. Keep that foot flat.
Turn the safety on, okay.
Also.
Oh, yeah. Wait.
Whoa. Bend your arms a little bit. And give your fingers straight up here.
Oh, yeah.
Don't touch this part, though.
Yeah.
And you're out. I'm kidding, doofus. You know how you can tell you're out? When that happens.
Okay. Can we go get more air or whatever we need? BBs?
Okay, now I want you to safely handle it. Tell me what you have to do. Do it. Do it safely. Do it.
Turn on the safety. Try to figure out how to take the back. Oh boy.
So the safety is not going to do anything here. Because the slide catch is on. Check on my car, there's nothing in it. And you can either leave it like that and put it another clip down, blah, or
Okay, can we go fill this up? Okay, I'm gonna go fill this up.
Ask Papa.
An hour, 15 minutes before the other
Papa,
one's
so you
on.
guys talk to him.
Well,
Pop
that
up.
doesn't work as good for us all going together.
Can we fill this up?
Unless you go to Laurel. Yeah.
Seth help you. It looked like it was an hour apart. The shorter movie started like an hour before the longer movie. If you go to Laurel, so there's all
And do you know what you're doing? Okay, Ben, get some movies. You're gonna have to put them in there. You're gonna get shot?
Nope. I do.
I'll shoot you if you want me to.
I'm good.
Are you sure? You won't take it. Don't put it in your hand. Alright, let's see if she can do this part.
The one that I always forget and have a mailbox in.
Perfect. That wasn't terrible at all. You didn't miss twice in a row. You haven't missed 3 times already. 4 times already. Wait. Okay, we're good. Pick up those BBs.
Can we not put more in?
I'll put orange.
It's the one I always have in mental block.
One more.
No, that's.
Okay, but we're gonna do this now. We're gonna see if you can do it this time.
I'm still recording.
Look up Kilwin's ice cream.
Oh, that place is really good. Yeah, Kilwin's.
Alright, Ben. I want you to take it, put the magazine in, and shoot 3 shots quickly and perfectly. Whoa.
Whoa.
Keep going like this. You hold the gun, one hand, put the magazine in the other hand. Okay, it's off safety.
Make sure that's off. Okay.
Yep, okay. Big yikes.
What did I do
You
wrong?
forgot to rack it.
How did I do that? Oh.
Do it one finger.
Right, okay, but
Don't. This finger wraps around there. Alright, 3 shots, nice. Okay, you want to do something cool?
uh-huh.
Okay, you know how you fire it quieter?
How?
I lied. Okay, but you know what you can do? Just go, and you go.
Go ahead. Okay.
You got them all so quickly. You were like still going. You're like,
Oh, I ran out of
Right now?
boules.
I want you to do it all right. No, you gotta leave this back. That's not how you take the magazine out. My guy.
And I know.
Nope. Oh yeah. Now what? Now what do you do?
Now you
Nope.
You go big.
Nope.
oof.
Nope. You check and you make sure that there's nothing left in it.
Okay.
Since we're done shooting, you never look down this way because if there is something in it, let's nope. And if there's nothing in it,
Let's go. Can we load it up one more time so I can do it properly this time?
you have to ask pop up. It's pop up.
Pop up. Can I load it up again?
Yeah.
Seth? Yeah, I know. I just want to try to get it one goodly time.
What's the one that Spies?
Spies in the skies.
It's a Little Women's at a huge theater, and there's only 7 seats taken right now.
So
tomorrow.
Spies in Disguise is at 4:10 and Little Women's at 3:45.
I was looking at the 1 o'clock.
Oh, the 1 o'clock.
I just because that's what I pulled up.
Oh, well, watch out on that show at 1 o'clock for Little Women's.
Let's
Oh, I got the
switch
next.
spots.
I'm sorry.
Too complicated to do it from that side.
Yep.
All right, let's see. So, Spies in Disguise is at 1:20 and Little Women's at 1 o'clock. Well, that would work, wouldn't it?
Well, and unless they want to do something, if they want to do a later thing.
Literally pick them up one at a time.
Well, we could go over there because there is shopping there. I mean, it's pretty nice. They got every store in the sun there.
Are you gonna do it all this time?
So how was
No
it?
help?
Did you look at the schedule? I mean, or which one?
The 1 o'clock Little Women
Yeah.
only had a few seats.
How about the 125?
Okay, let's go outside.
I haven't checked that yet. I was looking to see if the later one was better.
Okay.
One finger, It's running out of CO2, quick. Ben, it's running at you. Yes, it's out of CO2.
When?
You broke it, Ben.
You dropped a BB. Well, are we gonna go load more air into it or just stop?
We have to load more air in because it's gonna get stuck.
Okay, we're letting more air in.
Well, you got Targets, you got Home Good, you got Marshalls, I think you got TJ Maxx, you got just about everything under the sun.
I'm pretty sure that one's used, Ben.
Yeah, I know. I like the
Yeah.
used ones.
Find the one.
Should I look at?
I don't think you need to look at right now. This, I mean, judging from judging from the other stuff, we can talk through it a little bit.
So there's only 7, 8, 9, 10 people that voted.
Yeah, and like I said, like